Hello guys, a new mining app. Like you see, this is the application. The link of the download application will be in the first comment of the video, also on the description. Like you see, I have 14 dollars. It's simple how to play. It's a game of lottery every 15 minutes. Like you see, you can get $25. Like you see, this 15 minutes about to lottery about $25. Like you see here, it's based on tickets. It's simple. We go to spin wheel like that. We run this spin wheel to get free tickets. Like you see, you watch ads and get free tickets. Every 2 minutes you have to run this spin. You collect maximum of tickets, and after that I will show you how to put these tickets. It's simple. Every time you do that, and you have the chance to win every time maybe $1, $0.5, and each time like that until you reach $15. The payment will be in $15. I will show you now. Now we get our tickets. We get our 2 tickets. We use tickets like that. We collect and we choose a random number. Now we choose another random number. We have 2 tickets. We can do a lot of tickets. We return. Like you see, I told you every 2 minutes you get a free spin to get tickets. Watch ads and get tickets. You do in this way. You choose a random number. Every time you choose a random number, and when lottery is finished, and if you get the right number, you will get some dollars. Like you see, I have this my earning. Every time you get this like that until you reach $15. Like you see, $15 to PayPal money. Like you see, you must reach $15. This is the application. The link will be in the first comment of the video, like I told you, and in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video. See you another mining app or site video.